Hello, welcome, my friend. We are together with one perfect Olympic question. Asked us to calculate. First of all, these numbers. It seems a little difficult to calculate because we need to do it without using a calculator. Then you need to approach it with one different method. It will be better for me. One of the numbers given here. Let's take the arithmetic average and see what comes next. Do you know the number of objects when taking an arithmetic average? Division process was applied until, so if we pay attention from here, what will come 8,000 plus 88 divided by 4 when we edit this a little bit, 2,000 plus 22, here's the number of 2022. We have achieved. Now what was the reason I did this? So that was one connection between the numbers. Now according to this number I found, let's try to edit the question again. Let's see what we get. So what do I mean? How can I write the number of 2019 here? If we subtract 3 from 2022, we can get the number of 2019, yes, with the same logic, in order to get the 2021 number. I'm subtracting 1 from 2022. We add 1 to 2022 to achieve 2023. Finally to 2022 to achieve 2025. I add 3. But let's not forget, we also have 16 numbers here. He wants us to find this. Now I think, what can I do next? So now look, when I combine these two, and when I combine these two, I can get algebraic equations. What algebraic equations can I get? Let's remember these immediately. So what do I mean? What was the expression we call a squared minus b squared? A minus b times in parentheses. A plus b is in brackets again. If you pay attention now, with the expression here, also this is the expression here. Looks like the algebraic equation I wrote below, immediately in this format. Then let's start organizing our numbers. What can I write? Domain squared minus 3 square. Times. Now what can we do next? Multiply them as follows, respectively. Let's try to get a numerical equation. Let's see what comes out of here. If we start multiplying them, what happens? We get the bracket square of the 2022 square. Yes, you can keep this question that way. This is what we found now in our root 2022. Squared minus 5 bracket squared. Now what should we pay attention to here? The square root with the 2 here will simplify each other. Within absolute value, we have reached the result of 22 squared 5. So where does that take us? If you pay attention, statement given here, because it is greater than 0, as it is from absolute value, it will come out. So what happened? 2022 square of 2. It's been 5. Now that we calculate without a calculator 1, we use algebraic equations when solving the problem. So how can I write the expression here? 2 times 1011 brackets squared. We can write it as minus 5. I can throw these two out like this. So 4 times 1011 squared is negative 5. What can we do later? So 4 times the number we call 1011 is 1000. Plus 11 brackets squared I can write as minus 5. Look, I repeat, calculator. We are trying to calculate like this because there is no later. Again, we have obtained one algebraic equation here. Then let's arrange this. What will happen 1000 square? It will be 5. Now after here, what should we do with these numbers? We need to calculate 4 times. Gneo 221215. When we apply this multiplication process, 4088. When we do 4845 in this subtraction process, we come across. What will our result be? This will come as, if we go back to the beginning, let's repeat what we did. Gave us one statement in the square root. But we are calculating this question without or because we will solve. What should we do? Transforming some things into numbers. So we need to make it easy. What did we do with the equation here? We got the arithmetic average. Later, according to the number in the arithmetic average, we rearranged the equation here. We benefited from algebraic expressions. And as a result, this number is out. Don't forget to like and follow the channel. Videos, if you think it is informative and useful, share with your friends. See you, bye-bye. See you soon.